Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Sichamba Jacob is right here with you. Alright, so in this video we're looking at arc length and area of a sector. So please note that when we talk about a sector, we're simply talking about the portion of a circle. So you can see the circle that we have here. If at all we do this, we cut like this portion is a sector. And what is remaining also up here is also a sector. So this is what we need to know when it comes to a sector. Now, there are formulas we need right here for us to be able to answer or answering questions of this nature or questions that involve sectors. So what are some of the formulas? Look at this. When you've been asked to find area of a circle, you know the formula looks like this. This is the formula for finding area of a circle. And for circumference, it's like this, 2 pi r. So the circumference is the distance around the circle. This is what we call circumference. Okay, now look at what happens. With these same formulas, when it comes to the sector, all what you need to do is just to say area is equal to, this is for the sector, theta over 360 degrees pi r squared. So you can see the same for a circle, just introduce theta over 360 degrees at the beginning. When it comes to the arc length, when we talk about arc length, it's almost, we can say it's almost the same as the circumference, because we know that circumference is the distance around the circle. And for arc length, it's just a distance for a certain portion of the circle. So for example, the distance from A to B, that's the arc length. Okay, so for this one also, we normally do this. We say arc length is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So the same here, you just introduce the theta over 360 degrees. So this is how it is when it comes to formulas to use when finding the arc length and the area of a sector. So now let's try to answer this question and see how we're supposed to use these two formulas. So come with me. Please remember to subscribe if you've not done so. Follow us on our Facebook page, our TikTok. We love you so much. So let's jump on this question and see what we're supposed to do right here. All right, so let's start with the arc length. We shall say arc length right here is what we want to start with. So for arc length, you're going to say arc length, the formula, or you just say arc, and L here is equal to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. So the theta here will be the angle that will be given, and the angle we have right here is 60 degrees. So we can say 60 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times 22 over 7 times. The radius is 7. So now we start doing our mathematics here. 7 into 7, it's a 1. Into 7 there, it's a 1. 2 into 2, 1. Into 360, it's 180. There, it's 1. Do this, it's a 3. Okay, so we remain with a 1 times 1 times 22 times 1, which will automatically give us a 22 over 3 times 1 times 1. It will give us a 3. And we can leave our answer like this. We put centimeters. So this is length. So length is measured in centimeters. According to what we've been given here, it's centimeters. This is where our answer can remain. Or if you want, you can put it in a decimal form, which will be a 7.33 centimeters. So this is our answer for the first question. Now let's check out the next question where we need to find area of a sector. So for the area of a sector, let me clean up area. All right, so for the next question, which is area, to find area here, so let's say area, we shall say area of a sector is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. Okay, so please don't mind very much where the pi is coming from. Keep it in your mind that pi, the value of pi, it's 22 over 7 in paper 1, and in paper 2 it's a 3.142. So here for theta, we'll get the given angle, which is a 60 degrees over 360 degrees times the pi is a 22 over 7 times the radius. The radius, it's a 7 squared. And here, we can work out our mathematics. 0 and the degree there will cancel 0 there. 6 into itself, it's a 1. 36, it will just be a 6. The 7 here, it's a 1. The 7 there are 2 sevens because of the 7 power 2. We remain with 1 7. And then 2 into 6 is a 3. Into 22, it's 11. So we shall have 1 times 11 times 7, which will give us a 77 over 3 times 1 will give us a 3 centimeters squared. So if you want, you can leave your answer like this. There is no problem. But if you so wish to write it in decimal, it will be like this. This is how you get to find the area and the arc length of the sector. Now let's do this. Please don't go away. Keep on watching this. Be with the professor right over here. And if you're enjoying, please share the video, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to see your comment. So let's check out now this part of a sector on how they ask an exam question. So do an exam question which came in 2018 paper 1. So be with me up to the end of this video. Thank you. All right, so this is an exam question right over here. So for us to answer, we're going to say solution right over here. Solution. And we think of the formula for finding area. They asked us to find, to find the theta, they asked us to find the value of theta. But in our thinking, we think of the formula for finding area of the sector. So we shall say area is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. The reason why I've decided to pick the formula finding area of the sector is because here they've given us area. You see, they've given us the value of the area of this sector. So now we can substitute the values. Area, we know that it's a 25. Remainder 2 over 3, which is equal to theta. We don't know, it's what we are looking for. 360 degrees there times 22 over 7 times the radius, which is a 7 squared. So we can now cancel out things. 2 into 22, it's 11. Into 360, it's 180. Okay? And then 7 into 7, 1. Into 7 squared, we remain with a 7. You can see what we've done. Now, look at this. We've got a mixed fraction here. So we can multiply this times this. It will give us a 75. Plus a 2, it will give us a 77 over a 3. We just change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And this side, we shall have theta times 11 times 7. It will give us a 77 theta over 180 here, because 180 times a 1 will still be a 180 degrees. We now cross multiply. It will be 77 times 180, which is equal to 3 times 77 theta over 3 times 77 over 3 times 77. So these two will cancel out. We shall remain with the theta, which is equal to the 77 and 77 will cancel out. 3 into 3, 1. Into 180, it will give us a 60. So our angle is 60 degrees, which is the value of theta.